Yeah. Yeah. Chicks out there would like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it.
Alright, y'all. Hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32, and I am on a cruise. So I thought I would bring you all of the outfits that I'm going to be wearing while I'm on this 7-day cruise. Tonight is the first night for our dinner. We're going to the steakhouse. So I decided to show you guys what I'm wearing. The entire outfit, yes, the entire outfit is from the Goodwill. Y'all know how I roll. It don't matter where I go, baby. I'm going to still try to style something on a budget. So I got this dress actually from Goodwill. It's actually from Fashion Nova, and what's so cool about this dress, it gives you a little sexiness here, but underneath it's shorts. So we got shorts and then like a dress, so that way you can kind of like let the wind fly, honey, let the legs show. And down here below, the shoes are also from Goodwill. I think these are Dolce Vita. I think that's the brand name of these. And I really like them. I think it just goes so well together because of the weaves that's on here. You got the natural look here. It must be the kids they're calling to. Jordan and Kayla here on the cruise with us. 1 second. Hello. I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know. It has to say on it. Okay. Okay. I'm in the middle of making a video. Bye. Okay. Anyway, guys, just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing, and now we're gonna head off to the restaurant. Bye bye.
To play with, yeah. I know I finally found you, girl. I feel like magic, girl. You got me.